letter of the day. The letter of the day is N. 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 The letter of the day is N. Can you say N? Good. The letter of the day is N. The letter N says N. 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 The letter N says N. This is the uppercase letter N. This is the lowercase letter N. The letter N says N. Let's try that together. N. N. Good. We have an alphabet song for that. Are you ready? Here we go. The letter N says N. 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 The letter N says N. The letter N says N. Again, the letter N says N. 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 The letter N says N. The letter N says N. Good, 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 good. Continue to practice that sound throughout the week, and I believe you'll have it in no time if you don't already have it by now, by God's grace. What you could do at this time is watch me pull up my produce of the day. The produce of the day is this fragrant fruit we call nectarine. Nectarine. This is a nectarine. Nectarine. Can you say nectarine? Nectarine. Good job. And it smells so good. I'm going to have him as a midday snack. I'll tell you that.